Hello everyone, I'm Katie Kim. Today I'll be making 동그랑땡. You may have seen 동그랑땡 at the freezer section at your local grocery store. Why is this dish called 동그랑땡? 동그랗다 means round and 땡 means thing. A long time ago, Koreans used a round coin which is called yeopjeon as currency. 동그랑 comes from the shape of the coin and 땡 comes from the sound of falling coins 땡. Koreans usually cook this dish on Thanksgiving. It's called chuseok. However, I often cook this dish. This is 85% lean, so choose beef that contains a little bit of fat because it's more tender. This is a 1 pound ground beef, but I'm gonna use only 1/3. Firm tofu is better than soft tofu for making 동그랑땡. I will use only half of these ingredients. Squeeze out the water from the tofu like this with a kitchen towel or cloth. I'll put this mashed tofu into the bowl. Today, the most important ingredient is actually 대파. It's tasty if you add a lot of 대파. So add them into the bowl. Next, I will add half of that red pepper. It tastes really good if you add a red pepper, but you can omit it for children. Chop, chop, chop. However, please don't use paprika. It doesn't have a kick and it's too watery. These two ingredients, which are 대파 and red pepper, add a lot of flavor to this dish. Add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, salt, and a little bit of pepper. Oh, by the way, don't forget the sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Prepare 1/3 cup of Korean pancake mix called buchimgaru and beat to ice. So heat the pan. So heat a large pan over medium heat. And add oil to the pan. So once heated, reduce the heat. After making a round patty, lightly coat it with buchimgaru. And dip the patty in the beaten eggs. And take it out and put it in the heated pan. Adding a lot of ingredients doesn't mean it's delicious. Add only a few main ingredients. It's surprisingly tasty and nutritious. Isn't it so pretty? It is convenient if you use a spoon like this to flip them over. You don't need to overcook it because it is beef. Just cook them until they turn light gold brown for tender and juicy patties. I'll put the cooked one in a kitchen towel to remove the oil. Let's making a dipping sauce while it is cooking. So on top of the chopped scallions, add a little bit of soy sauce and vinegar, red pepper flakes. That's it. Now it's all done. So let me taste. It's moist and tender. Stay tuned for more recipes and please subscribe. I will see you next video.